Subordinating conjunctions of place. Where, wherever. Subordinating conjunctions of place examples. A. Where there is problem, there is politics. B. Wherever you go, death will reach you. Subordinating conjunctions of cause. Reason and purpose. Because, since, as, in order that, so that. Examples. A. Because you don't know, you can't say anything about it. B. Since he was sick, he didn't attend the class yesterday. C. As we know what it means, we will not define it. D. In order that you can locate where his house is, please follow the map. E. I will go to the market so that I can meet you there. Subordinating conjunctions of comparison. Than, just as if, as though. Examples. A. He is better than she is. He is just as honest as his father is. C. It seems as if / as though they have not met before.